can see it's building up a lot of steam. That's what it looks like inside. Steaming the shrimp. And it smells so good. So I'll say about another 3 minutes and them shrimps is going to be so good.
Perfect.
What's going on, Tony Ronys? It's your boy Tony TV, and I'm back with another video. I hope everybody had a great, awesome day today. And besides us, we having a tornado watch. We have 100 tornado watches a month and never have a single tornado whatsoever. All the time, we always, every day, tornado warning. Every day, tornado warning, tornado warning, tornado warning, tornado warning. Alright guys, I'm gonna make some, I've been craving some shrimp salad for the longest. Let me fix my camera. I got my hat on today because I need a haircut. Look at this.
Oh, hell no!
Look at that hair, man. I am woofing. So, I got the good old trusty hat on today. Write this down. Like I said, I've been craving some shrimp salad for the longest. I got the shrimps here. Here are the shrimps. This large raw shrimp. You get, this is a 2-pound bag. Actually, this was on sale for $10 actually. You can't go wrong with a $10 bag of shrimp. So, I'm gonna whip this up real quick. Why is this counter always wet? It's always wet all the time. Kids, man. Kids. Alright guys, I'm gonna set y'all up. So, we got the shrimp salad here. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna open this bad boy up. And we're gonna dump them in the bowl. Alright, and we're gonna run the cold water. Alright, then we're gonna let these thaw for about I say they'll be unthawed in about an hour or two. They don't take long to unthaw. If I can get it open. Here we go. Alright, I'm gonna add a little bit more to that. There we go. So I know they're gonna be trying to, my family gonna want to eat some when I make it. Alright. Now that's thawing, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna wrap this bag up. I'm gonna put this in a bag, like in a grocery bag. And I'm gonna throw it back in the freezer. Yeah, so I'm gonna let that thaw out, guys, for about an hour or two. And I'm gonna throw this in the bag and throw that back in the freezer because there's still a good half a bag left for shrimp that I can probably steam and just eat regular steamed shrimp with that. Alright. So I'll see y'all in a few. Alright guys, the shrimp has completely thawed out. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a cup and I'm gonna get some water in the cup and I'm gonna place that over here, because y'all remember Coco, there's nothing in here. What are you doing? She's like scavenging for food. God. Alright, y'all remember the new pan set I got a couple days ago. Y'all, a true fans and true subscribers, y'all know what video I'm talking about. And for y'all that don't know, I got a new pan set because my old pan burnt up, literally burnt up. So this new pan set I got a steamer on it. Let me show y'all. This is the pot, and I'm gonna add this water for the steam. Right? Have to add a little bit more water. All right, that's gonna be for the steam. This is the pot that goes. Woo! Got a whole bunch of little holes in it, as y'all can see. Let me rinse that out. Let me rinse that out real quick. All right, rinse that out. This goes on top. Bam! See that? See that setup? And then when everything is done, we put the lid on top, and voila! Steamed shrimp. Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
Alright. So let me add the shrimp now. Oh, gotta have the Old Bay. Have the Old Bay on deck. Alright, here go the shrimp here. It's thawed out completely. Let me drain this water. Let me drain this. Alright, that's this. See, drain this. Look at all of that. There you go. Now this is drained, and what we're gonna do. All right, that's completely drained. Now we're gonna add this into the pot. Voila. Alright. That's in there. Let me fix my camera, guys. Alright, now we're gonna add the Old Bay to this. Woo. Alright. The Old Bay is added. Starting to steam. I can hear it. Alright guys, now I'm gonna just add the lid to this. And that should be steaming soon.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, the shrimp is cooking marvelously. Let me show y'all what's going on. As you can see, it's building up a lot of steam. That's what it looks like inside. Steaming the shrimp. And it smells so good. So I'll say about another 3 minutes and them shrimps is going to be so good. Really like this pan. Let me turn this back on so I'm smelling. Y'all can see there's a lot of steam going out of there. I told y'all I had got shit falling everywhere. Jello, kids in the Jello. I got the diced celery for the shrimp salad. You gotta have the diced celery. Can't have shrimp salad without the diced celery. Okay. Okay, guys, the shrimp is done. I turned the burner off, so I just got them sitting here for a while. So I'm gonna set them aside and I'm gonna let that cool down. Then I'll make the shrimp salad later on tonight because I'm about to actually go pick up some pizza. I was gonna make some hamburgers tonight, but I'm actually gonna go pick up some pizza. From where? Papa John's? Yeah. Papa John's pizza. So I do want to make a cake for my next video. Supporter suggested that I make a cake for my next video, so I got that in the works. So like I said, this is not gonna be a long video. This is about a 7-8 minute video, short video, just making my little shrimp salad that I love. I love shrimp salad. So I'm gonna show you all the end result, so how it looks when I'm done. And yeah, so make y'all hungry. Alright, I got the shrimp done yesterday. I just need to peel them all and get them separated. So let's get the peeling. Alright guys, I'm finally peeling the shrimp. It took about a half hour of my life. I'm gonna dump them in this bowl. Dump that and hold this for me, please. Alright, you wanna dump them in the bowl. You can cut them in half, or you can just add them whole if you want. You can cut them in half, or you can add them whole. So I'm gonna add them whole because they all mine. I ain't sharing. Not a lot. And you're gonna add your diced, just a little bit of diced celery. Yeah, a little bit. Just for a little crunch here and a crunch there. Voila. Alright, and give this a stir. I'm gonna add just a little bit more meal. Just a little bit. Alright, get a good old stir. You don't need to add Old Bay to it because I already got a lot of seasoning from the when we steam them. So, and there you have it. Shrimp salad. You know what? I'm gonna add a little bit more celery. I like hit a little crunch. That's gonna be the screenshot right there with the greens on top. Yeah. There you go. Voila. Voila. Shrimp celery.
Salad.
I said shrimp celery. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'm making hamburgers for dinner. I might record that. I don't know what I'm gonna do. But until the next video,